let's learn to look at the latest version number for the Aria Automation REST API in less than 60 seconds. On your mark, get set, go! To get started, let's click on Postman. I'll open my VRA8 collection. In here I have a folder called About and an operation called Get Latest API Version. With that REST operation, we are going to get, using the HTTPS protocol, we'll go to our Aria Automation server, and we'll use the endpoint URL IAS API About. Let's click Send. We check that we get a 200 series status code, and as you can see, we have the information that we need here, including the latest API version, and up above there, we have information about additional API versions supported by our Aria Automation server. Now, one last thing, in my test tab, you'll see that I'm taking that latest version number that we got from the REST response, and I'm saving it into a Postman variable called VRA API version so that we can use it with these other REST API operations.